Dear friends, today we see the subject that is need result, then you do. We see this. Everyone is intending that to clear the examination as early as possible, but the only question is that are we doing practice in systematic way to get our positive result? So that today, just as far as I am concerned, I pointed out a few things that to clear our examination. Let us see, dear friends. The primary thing is that primary obligation is every shortened aspirant should be dedicated. That is, dedication is important with much hungry to clear the examination. Everyone should see that to clear the examination in hungry manner but not general one. If you go general one, then it is very difficult to clear the examination. So that with hungry manner, with much willingness, it is possible to you to clear the examination. Point number 2, regular attendance of your classes. Few of our friends cannot attend the classes regularly. They are attending alternate days, 3 days once, 4 days once. That is very impossible thing to clear the examination. Third point is regular manual practice of the particular passage till digesting. But few of our friends are doing that without practice, without particular passage. They are going for taking dictation automatically, so that it harms them. They can disappoint automatically without manual practice. Point number 4, note difficult strokes, words in a separate notebook and practice thoroughly. If not, we can get embarrassment while writing shorthand dictation, while taking dictation. Point number 5, and should know the meaning of each word of the passage. If we know the meaning of each and every word, then it is very easy for us to make good transcription. Otherwise, we get embarrassment. Sixth point is take dictation at your regular time in your institution by your teacher. Regular dictation is important, that too in regular time. That means at 8 a.m. means just you have to practice 8 a.m. likely. That is good dedication. Point number 7, after taking dictation, you read the same at your turn, but do not skip. If your teacher asks you that to read means you don't sit quiet and do not skip that. It is negative attitude. Even after reading the same, you have to transcribe the same. That is very important. But you do not sit quietly, I already read it. Not like that. Even though if you read the same passage, you transcribe it daily, then it is very helpful to you. Point number 9. Count the number of mistakes and compare the same for the next day and to the next day and so on. This is very important, dear friends. After transcription, just to count the number of mistakes and then it is to be noted in your notebook and you compare tomorrow, day after tomorrow, like that. Then you can know where you are. And you do not think of mistakes you committed. If they are huge in number, forget it and focus for next one. If you are thinking about your number of mistakes means you cannot move ahead. So that mistakes are common in shorthand to anyone, but who are just focusing for the next dictation, next transcription, then it is useful to them, then he will get a positive result, dear friends. And do not take leaves much intentionally. Just for small reasons also, just few of our friends are taking leaves, avoiding classes, so that it is also very harmful to you to do not clear their examination. Point number 12. Join at an accurate time for your class. Do not take your own time to join your classes. Example, if time is at 7 a.m. of your class, but you don't think about that to join your classes at 7:05 a.m., 7:10 a.m., 7:30 a.m. like that. You should be accurate to join at 7 a.m. means 7 a.m. that's it. And you do not leave the class until it concludes and without consent of your teacher. It also harmful to you. And do not compete with your mates, companions of your skill. Think about you only. I mean, you do not think of your friends, your grade, mates like high speed, higher, lower grade like that. You do not compete with any other. Because if you think like that, you are unable to make focus on your skill. That is important, dear friends. So, dear friends, if you do like this, then it is possible to you to take a good result. If you follow like these opinions of mine, just you do it and just you get best good results. Thank you very much.